Hello everyone, I present to you a pack of 6 science fiction weapons for your game. These are not just my old assets thrown together. The AK-47 and sniper rifle have been updated to new materials in version 2.0, which will give you much more control over the appearance of your weapons. Let me demonstrate. This is what the new color customization system looks like. Please pay attention to the list of parameters. There is control over metal and roughness here. Now let's play with colors for a time-lapse demonstration. Now I would like to show you how this worked in the previous material. The lack of new parameters significantly cheapens the appearance of the weapons compared to the new material. And now you understand that these are not just old assets but with some changes. Subscribe, like, so you don't miss out on new videos. I wish you good luck in your projects and see you next time.